when I think of chocolate covered strawberries, I think of Sherry's berries, which I associate with being really fancy or special, but they're so easy to make. And I just made some for dinner. Let me show you how I did it. I'm gonna use these semi-sweet chocolate chips from Trader Joe's. And I like them because they're currently the cheapest vegan chocolate chips that I can find. They are about $4 a bag. And I'm gonna do the whole bag. I put mine in a microwave safe bowl and I'm gonna put them in the microwave to melt, but you can also use a double boiler if that's how you like to melt your chocolate chips. All right, I have melted my chocolate chips. You can see the last few are melting in there and it looks beautiful, perfect for dipping in my strawberries. And I have already washed and dried my strawberries. Take some parchment paper and line a baking sheet. I think because of Sherry's berries, I don't know if you've ever seen those, but they are so elegant and beautiful and always a fancy gift to give when I was younger. I'm not sure if you've ever had Sherry's berries, but I remember them being such an elegant gift to give when I was younger for special occasions like Valentine's Day or an anniversary. And so I always associate chocolate covered strawberries with something that's really elegant and special, but it's in fact so easy to make. I am going to take my clean dried strawberry, washed and dried, and I am going to dip it in some of this chocolate. Then I'm going to lay it on some parchment paper, just like that. Keep repeating until I run out of strawberries or chocolate. And sometimes if I have a little bit of chocolate left over, I will also do some bananas or whatever else I have on hand. I will use all of this chocolate because it is so pricey these days. If your strawberries are coming straight out of the refrigerator, they're probably still a little cold, and that will make the chocolate harden a lot faster. So you can see how beautiful they're looking. I'd like to dip as much as I can in here, but I also want to be very gentle with the stems because they're not as pretty when they don't have that green on them. Oh my gosh, this strawberry is so big. Has anyone ever grown strawberries or gone to a strawberry farm? I remember the first time I went to a strawberry farm, it was like night and day. I loved them so much. They were red all the way through and so sweet, so juicy. I have finished all of my strawberries. They look so beautiful. They still have to harden a little bit, but I still have some chocolate left and I don't want that to go to waste. It is too much of an investment. So I'm just going to use some bananas I have lying around and I'm going to break them up in quarters using my fingers. If you want them to look fancier, you can use a knife. And I am going to dip these in chocolate too, about halfway through, and place them right there. You can, if you have some chopped peanuts or something like that, add those onto the chocolate before it dries, and that'll be extra, extra good. I put them in the refrigerator for a little bit. You can also stick them in the freezer, and this is what they look like. They're so beautiful. They are so good.